Hi, I'm Niharika Kanji and my student ID is 30435948. The summary test plan and some of the test cases is explained by my group numbers. Now I am going to explain the remaining test cases and the Gantt chart as well. Firstly, I will start with the test case 21, which is the discipline. Here we have the positive and negative test cases. When it comes to the verified discipline identifier DESCAN9, the input is the invalid information and the expected output is the system should validate the discipline identifier and confirm whether it is a unique identifier consisting of up to 5 characters. And next, the store discipline information. The input is the discipline's information which you want to save, and the expected output is the system should successfully store the discipline information with the provided identifier or description and name. The input for the retrieved discipline information is discipline's information which you want to retrieve, and the expected output is the system should retrieve the information. The next test case is the section. Here the input for the store section information is value section number, section description, date, time, age, location, and special instruction. Then expected output is the system should successfully store the section information with the provided details, and the section identifier is the input to the both retrieve section information and verify unique section identifier. The expected output for retrieve section information is the system should be able to retrieve the stored section information, and the expected output for the verified unique section identifier is the system should ensure that each section identifier is unique and does not conflict with existing identifier. The next test case is the competitor. Here there is no expected output for the competitor. The input for the store competitor information is the system needs to save the competitor's information correctly, and the input for the retrieve competitor information is the system must be able to find and show the competitor's information when needed. The input for the verify unique competitor identifier is the system has to make sure that no two competitors have the same name to avoid the confusion. And the next test case is the competitor number. There is no expected outputs for the competitor number, and here the input for the verified competitor number is the verified that each competitor is assigned a unique number for a specific section, and the input for the create competitor number is new competitor number will be generated and it should be unique. The input for the update competitor number is update competitor number before the system will check it is allocated or valid. The input for the verified competitor number uniqueness is confirmed that competitor or numbers assigned to competitors in different sections. The next unit test case is a communication tool. Here the input for the send message to recipient is the recipient and message. The expected output is a confirm that the system successfully sent the message to recipient, and the input for the send message to multiple recipients is the multiple recipients and message. The expected output is the confirm that the system successfully sends the message to multiple recipients. The input for the send message to non-existent recipient is non-existent recipient message, and the expected output is the message will not be sent and system will throw error invalid recipient. The next test case is a display TV. There is no inputs for this display TV. There's the expected output for the display current event information on TV is display the current event details on the TV. The expected output for the display upcoming events on TV is this TV display list of upcoming events list. The next, the Gantt chart. Here the Gantt chart is like a picture that helps us plan and keep an eye on what we need to do in a project. It shows when each task starts and ends, how tasks are linked to each other, important checkpoints, and who is responsible for doing this work. This Gantt chart helps us to stay organized and on track to meet the project deadlines. Here the we have the critical path analysis while tracking the project. Here are some of the images, and here's a critical path analysis based on above images. The total days taken for the path A is 44.5 days, and the total days taken for path B is 45, and for path C is 44, and path D is 44.5. Thank you so much.